Hey guys, what up? And today I'm going to be solving a Rubik's Cube until I get 30 seconds. And if you didn't know, I'm actually going to a competition on September the 21st in Gold Coast. So yeah, just wanted to tell you. So let's get straight in here. I really hope I don't solve it instantly, otherwise it's going to be a quick video. No! Oh, I got 40 seconds. Well, let's give it another scramble. And yep. Yeah. Okay. Yep, got it. I did it again. I'm done. Shout out to me and I'm low. If you don't know, I've diabetes, so yeah. Okay. Please. Yeah, I didn't scramble it properly. I know. Sorry guys, my phone just told me I have a warning. Okay, so. Yes! Yes! That's sub 30. That's a new PB. Sorry, please. New PB. 29 seconds. Oh, yes. Oh, yes. I feel so good now. Okay, since this video is going to be short as hell if I just leave it there, my PB is 22 seconds on this. On the 2x2. So I want to see if I can get sub 20. So let's try. So spectrum, okay. No. Please. Oh, so locks up 23. I knew it beat my PB as well. I'm shook nasty. I'm shook nasty. I'm sorry. Sorry. Yeah, that's good enough. So if I haven't been making that much videos, I'm taking a break. In this case, you can get it. I got. I got 23. I got 23 then. No! I need to get sub 20. Just 20. Yes, you can see my hair. I don't really care that I am a big pear. Okay. Yeah. What the hell? Do like that, and then you go like this. That's not good. I actually might be taking this video a little longer because I okay. Yes! 18 seconds. I want this video to be over 10 minutes. Pyramids, I think you got something. Okay, so first of all, after you screw up the corners, and then, yeah. So then inspection. Oh, whoops, I just put it back. Sorry if you heard that. Oh, by the way, sub 30 for pyramids. If I said that. And it looks like I'm going to do that straight away. New PB! Yes! I'm going to title this new PBs for all my cubes. Because now, since, yeah, this sub 20. Yeah. Actually, no, I think it's 25. I've got 30 seconds. That's my PB. I'm going to do it in 25. And so let's give it a nice scramble. Maybe a little this, and a little bit of this, and then this. Yep, that looks good. Sorry if you hear anything. My mom's just coming in from work. And you guys didn't really need to know. 3, 2, 1. I think we dropped it. I have 34. Is that piece of... Whoops, put that back. But how did I just do? Okay. And I just do some just left tremors, maybe like this, and then maybe scramble it. So that looks good enough. 3, 2, 1. Go. This is definitely not a new PB. What? Oh, screw. Oh man. I'm actually doing worst. Oh god. No, I messed it up. I messed it up. Whoa, come on. Oh, please tell me you got all of that. If I've been like this all this time, I really do apologize, but I'm still gonna upload this video either way. It's because I have 3 new PBs, and this one I'm really happy about. Okay, so scrambled. Yep. No, I didn't stop it! No! 26 seconds. You know why I'm so mad? It's because I didn't stop the timer. I'm not gonna let you see my face. Okay, I forgot the scramble, so yeah. You're gonna have to get used. Oh, damn. Stuck. Oh, that's right. 20 seconds! Oh, yes! Oh. I think that counts. So, my PBs are all on these. I have 1 cube though that I haven't showed. 3 minutes is how long it usually takes me to solve this. Actually, no, I think it's 2 minutes or something. Yeah, it's 2 minutes, so let's see if I can get it sub 2. Well, my PB is 2 minutes, you know what I mean. But anyways, so 3, 1. Oh, good. Actually, no, I'm just gonna start off. Yeah. Actually, I didn't get expect. Scramble it some more. Okay. And selection. Okay, looks good. No, I don't really know how to solve it. Well, I do, that's why I'm here, but I don't know what goes. Is it this? I forgot! Oh no! Okay, scramble it some more. That was a mess up. Not easy to scramble. Yes, this thing looks really hard, but if you watched my tutorial, it's actually really easy. It's like a 3x3. So let's get into it. I just realized I sound like a really creepy person. Sorry. Lockups! Yes. No. Oh, I hate this cube. I hate recognizing every single bit of it. I'm like, is this go here? No, it doesn't, dummy. It goes over here. Here, you psychological piece of poo. There's my other one. This goes there. I think it goes there. This cube is so frustrating. It's just so slippery. That's why I can't solve it. It's been a minute. That doesn't go anywhere. That does. It goes here. I've got it on my head. This one. Sorry if you hear noises. I don't really have a quiet place. I'm not doing that. Well, that's the video. I hope you like it. So I'm not gonna do that. It would take too long. And I will definitely make a video on how to solve my 3x3, which I still haven't made. And then I'll make the video on the pyramids, and then I'll start to do it on this, and then this. I've already done that. And then I'll do Mega Minx, and then I'll get more cubes, and then I'll learn them, and then I'll show them, and then I'll be a cubing channel, and then yeah. So if you don't like cubing, sucks to suck. Yeah, so we're going to be learning, I'm also going to teach you C-Fop when I learn it. It's actually really hard, I'm still in training, but yeah, I want to just make this video come out. And if I haven't told you, I'm going to a tournament on September 21st, and it's going to be a blast. So yeah, thanks for watching, subscribe, I don't really care, or do what you want, like the video, yeah, yada yada. Yeah, these are all my cubes. Yeah, I'll show you cubing. It's not all my cubes. I still have a cube coming. I got a cube upstairs. I got a cube in the car. Got a cube in the car for when I go in the car, and I want to go upstairs because yeah, if I go upstairs, yeah. Now I got all these cubes done. My legends, I call them. And I got a Mega Minx on the way. So you will be seeing a Mega Minx on Monday. An unboxing. I'm sorry I haven't been uploading. Yeah. So I'm back. Yeah. See ya.